First, pry off the decorative strips on both sides. Pry off the decoration of the water cup holder. Ensure the engine is turned off and the power is disconnected before installation. Unscrew these two screws. You can reach us via binizeofficial at gmail.com or WhatsApp at 8613312163-97. We'll arrange a customer service manager to assist you personally. And here's a little bonus. Don't forget to include your order number when you contact us, and you'll get a nice surprise. Pry off the air conditioning panel. Unplug the connecting wires above. 1. Power cord. 2. Rear view camera cable. Please ensure the power cord harness is properly labeled. Its connector is the same as that of the double flash line harness, so never mix them up. Proper labeling is a must. Then remove the two screws here. Unplug the corresponding connecting wires. Double flash cable. Original car CD button cable. Please ensure the double flash cable harness is properly labeled. Its connector is the same as the power cord harness just removed, so never mix them up. Proper labeling is a must. When removing the wires, be sure to label these two wire harnesses properly. They have the same number of pins and are easy to mix up, so labeling is crucial. Take care not to confuse them. Remove the original car CD player. Install the bracket we provided on the CD player, and connect the original car's AUX cable. Now let's install the wire harnesses of the large screen car radio together and see what harnesses are included. Plug this 16-pin power cord here. This is the CAN bus box. Connect these two wires to the CAN bus box. Plug in this air conditioning control wire. This is the power supply wire for the CAN bus box. Plug it in. Now this is the multi-function wire harness. Connect the fan wire harnesses together. This is the 4 grams network card slot. This is the microphone. Please note that you must connect this microphone, otherwise, you cannot use the microphone function. This is the rear view camera connector. You need need to connect the reverse video input to the rear view camera connector. The other one is the video input connector. Connect the video in connector to the CVBS in one connector. Now we are connecting the GPS signal antenna. This is the 4 grams network signal antenna. This is the free audio filter. You need to connect it to audio out LAN audio out R. The other end needs to be connected to AUX and RAND AUX in L. This connector needs to be connected to the AUX socket of the original car SCD audio cable. The other connector is connected to the original car SOX wire harness of the original car SCD audio cable. These two are USB connection harnesses. Plug them into the corresponding interfaces. This is the emergency connector. Connect them to the corresponding double flash wire harness at this position of the original car. This is the CD button wire harness interface. This needs to be connected to the original car SCD button wire harness. This is the corresponding wire harness interface of the original car. This is the power cord connector. You need to connect it to this wire harness of the original car. Its corresponding original interface is at this position. This is the video input wire harness. Connect it to this wire harness of the original car. Its original corresponding socket is here. After connecting the wire harnesses, don't rush to reassemble the components. First, turn on the device to test it and check if any wire harnesses are missing or not properly connected. Long press here to switch between kilometers and miles. Open the factory settings. Enter 1 to 3 for 5 6 to access it. Click the top option Original Car Agreement. Scroll down to find Temperature Unit Switch CF, and you can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Follow these steps to change the language.